We are so freaking back, bruh. We're back. Now, if you watched my last video, you would know that I got rid of my friend Mikey, my OG microphone from way back in middle school. And we upgraded on him. So we got the new mic has officially came in. I was thinking we could do a little bit of an unboxing with each other, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's that new toner. Yeah, let's get right to it, I guess. Come on. The audio thingy on the box. It's a like small little thing, nothing too crazy, right? We got an instruction manual right here. We'll definitely rock with that in a second. It looks like we have a bit of a cover right here to go over the actual microphone. Alright. Neat little packaging up in here. Alright, I'm ripping the box to pieces. Okay, yeah, I'm actually destroying this box right now. Okay, you can just take that right on out, okay. Alright, let's see what we, okay, so it looks like a little stand so we can stand the mic up. This is what I told you about on Mikey. Mikey had one, but he broke. Yeah, he was done. So it was about time we got, he my boy and he helped us out a lot, but it's about time we upgraded on him. Cause yeah, he was washed all the way up. Woo! This baby right here, 007 style, but no, you're supposed to record it like these and put it up like this. I mean, I guess we could put this one together right now. So like Bob the Builder up here. Okay, so that's how it's gonna stand. As you can see up close, there's a mute button on that mug. Comes with a USB-C cord. This is a long cord though. Okay, solid. And the cover. How the cover go on here? No way it just goes down on the side like this. Ah! Perfection. Perfection. La perfection. Alright, and now if we look at the bottom here, that's where we have the plugs to actually plug the cord in. It has an aux cable connector as well, and it has volume control. This is definitely like a video game mic, but I'm using it for everything. Mute button on the front here. Nice button sounds. The volume roller. Nice little roller. But yeah, that's my new mic. Now I do want to plug it in right quick because it does have LEDs up in there, so the mug gonna glow. That's what I'm excited to see. You see that? Mute. When you hit that mute, it's just red. Unmute. Yeah. Mute. Unmute. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, you can see there's a blue light on the front. I didn't see that. Well, I mean, we unboxed it. Let's test this mug out. Let's do it. All right, we ready to do this thing. We got the laptop, microphone, headphones. Let's do it. Now, there's this beat that's kind of going viral on TikTok right now. It sounds kind of goofy, but I think it's so fire. And there's like a 15-second clip. I tried my hardest to find the full video on YouTube because I was like, I want to hop on this now, but I'm gonna just hop on a snippet. But listen to this. So that's what we about to work with. It's goofy, but this is just that's the whole clip. It's just a little 15-second little snippet, and it's gonna help us test out this microphone. So I say let's get to it. I say let's do it. Let's see what they're talking about. You feel me? Let's see what they're talking about. But first I gotta download this clip, and I gotta connect to my headphones. But the mic clean, bro. I do like the like that beat not crazy to y'all. I know it's a very acquired taste. And that's what everybody on TikTok was saying. You gotta train your ears to listen to this. I don't know. Maybe my ears is trained. I just think the beat is so fire. It's goofy though, but it's bouncy. Like I don't know. I like the beat, bro. You can't tell. Don't make fun of a brother because he's using GarageBand to record his track, bro. Like don't make fun of me, man. We all gotta start somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I thought it had fire. Yeah. Used to have fire. Used to have. Okay. It's gonna take a minute, y'all. I'm rusty, bro. I'm rusty. All right. We punching in for sure. We punching in. Woo! Alright, I killed that. I killed that first try. That was good. Yeah. Blowing up like a grenade. That's it? Alright, it worked. I know I cooked with that one. I know I cooked with that one, y'all. I know I cooked with that one. But yeah, you guys, we got a new mic. Let's turn up to it though. Let's turn up to it though. Yeah, brand new mic named Micah. Used to have Mikey boy, I used to like ya. Hop on the track and I'm spitting that fire. Whoa, I need to fam out the flame. King of the jungle with lion, I cannot be tamed. I got flavor lemonade. Only time I can get rest is when I got it made. Yeah. Blowing up like a grenade. That's it. Yes. So you guys hear the track, you guys hear the audio quality, you guys saw the process, you guys even seen the mic. What y'all think? Because me, I'm pleased. And I'm excited to finally get back to work and get back to creating. But that's all for this video, you guys. We have Micah officially on deck, officially part of my equipment team, if you will, because I got a bunch of equipment for my filmmaking journey and whatnot. But yes, you guys, you see the new mic I got, you hear the new mic I got. How y'all feeling? I'm feeling good. Drop, hold on. Drop grenade in the comment section if you made it to this point in the video, so I know who rock with me and made it to the end of the video. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Go read your Bible, go pray. May God bless you all. I'm gone, y'all.